I vividly recall on the evening of 11.
Yes, up to there. You received this information on which date?
On the 11th.
On the 11th. What time was it?
Afternoon.
Around exactly what time was it, Mr. Ek?
16:00 hours.
Yes?
16:00 hours.
That is to mean 4 p.m., correct?
Yeah, sure.
How many hours later did you conduct the raid, and on which date?
We conducted the search on 12th at 5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock?
In the morning.
During the wee hours of what refer to as ungodly hours, correct?
Yes.
Why didn't you, upon receipt of information, how many hours later did you raid the house?
Okay, from 4 to 5, that's around 12 hours or something.
What took you that long? A cautious, diligent, vigilant police to go and avert the commission of a crime?
I wasn't the operational
What
commander.
took you that long? I'm not asking who was in charge of the operation. What took you that long?
That one can be answered by
It
the
is you
operation
to answer.
commander.
What
No,
took you that long?
that one can be answered by the operation commander.
The witness needs to answer my question. Don't pass over the ball. What took you people that long?
That one can be answered by the operation commander, but probably it's about preparations.
Mr. Witness, I want to warn you to stop giving opinions and stick to the matters of facts. Are you aware perhaps if you went on the 11th, you would have found them in commission of the offense?
I'm aware.
Yes?
Yes.
Why didn't you take that opportunity?
We had to prepare.
The agent put it to you that you wanted to go in the wee hours of the night so that you can plant the gun, plant the cannabis sativa, plant the tobacco, and plant all the items in the wee hours of the night?
No, we cannot do that.
Yes?
We can't do that.
Mr. Witness, look at your statement again, the last paragraph, where you're saying immediately after that, we went back to the table where inventories of all the recoveries were made. Further, the team that was conducting search at the servants' quarter found us at the main house with the recoveries and 4 suspects. 4 suspects.
Yes.
How many suspects were arrested on that day?
7.
7. You arrested 7.
Yes.
Have you captured that in your statement? Have you captured it, yes or no?
In my statement, no.
Have you captured it?
In my statement, no.
You have not captured it. Where did the rest come from?
We
Are you aware? You know or you don't know? Don't give us guesswork.
We had the 3 with us.
Don't give us
From
I'm asking a specific question. Where did the rest come from? Now that you have a total of 12 accused persons.
I can't tell.
Yes?
I know.
You do not know. Thank you. In your statement, Mr. Witness, you mentioned that among the books the issues were recovered were notebooks, sniffing tobacco, calabashes, beads, decorated sticks, decorated plastic containers, and books. Yes?
Yes.
Have you brought those items before this court?
I think
either you or even PW1. Are you aware whether PW1 brought them before this court?
Not sure.
For example, show us where we have the books, the notebooks, and how many notebooks were recovered?
The books that were recovered, I can't tell the number, but they
You
were
cannot
just
tell the number.
Yes.
Do you have the calabashes before this court?
I don't have them now.
Yes?
No, I don't have.
When are you intending to bring them?
I think they are. I can't actually see.
Mr. Witness, stop baffling. When do you intend to bring these calabashes?
As when I'll be asked to bring them.
Okay, thank you. And where are the beads? And perhaps any connection of the calabashes with Bongiki?
No.
Yes?
No.
Is there any connection of calabashes with the organization called Mungeki? That is to mean, if I have a calabash,
No.
I am Mungeki.
No.
Where are the beads?
I think they will bring all those things.
It's you I'm asking.
No, I don't have them now.
You don't have them?
I don't have.
But it's in your statement that beads were recovered, yes?
Yes.
What type of beads were they?
Colored beads.
Colored beads.
Yes.
What color were they?
Yellow, red, greenish.
Yellow, red,
greenish. I can't remember.
Greenish.
I can't remember all the colors.
You can't know the color.
I can't remember all the colors.
Excuse me. Do you know the colors of the beads or you don't know the color of the beads?
They were sorted.
Do you know the color of the beads or you don't know the color of the beads? Because the last time PW1 appeared before this court, he was putting a bangle of those colors that you're describing.
I don't know all of them, the colors.
You don't know the colors. And where are the beads?
The beads are, I don't have them now.
Where are they? I'm asking where are they?
They are with the investigation officer.
Have a look at your inventory. Please pass over the inventory to him. The first inventory. I think it is PMFI. You know, we're trying to speak PMFI 1. Yes, witness? Exhibit 1. In that exhibit, you say that you were present when the same was being recorded, correct?
I was there.
You were there.
Yes.
Who recorded that inventory?
It was recorded by the IO.
Who recorded? Just mention the name of the IO.
It was recorded by Eric Wainaina.
Eric Wainaina.
Yes.
Is Eric Wainaina the IO?
No. So it's not the IO.
What is the purpose of an inventory in a criminal trial?
To account.
To account.
Yeah, accountability purposes.
To account for what?
For whatever has been recovered.
Whatever is
recovered.
At the particular time of filling that inventory, did you have the calabashes?
No, I didn't have.
Yes?
No.
Where were they? And confirm that the inventory was taken at the scene, the locus in court, right?
Yes.
So there is nothing or no item that had been moved, correct?
Yes.
So were the calabashes present at that particular time?
There were no calabash.
Yes?
No calabashes.
There were no calabashes.
Yes.
What do you exactly mean, Mr. Witness? That your statement is a fabrication of truth, correct?
No.
What do you mean when you say there were no calabashes?
All that were recorded in the inventory is
yes.
All that is recorded in the inventory
yes.
is what I witnessed.
Is what you witnessed?
Yes.
Why then did you in your statement choose to lie that were calabashes and beads? Do you have calabashes recorded in that particular inventory?
The beads were...
Are they recorded in the inventory?
No.
Is the calabash there?
No.
Are the beads there?
No.
Are the plastic containers contained in that inventory?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
The plastic?
Yeah, plastic...
containers.
Yeah, bags.
Where are they?
Plastic bags.
Yes?
The plastic bags.
Look at the statement.
Yes.
Look at the statement, Mr. Witness, and read it out. Your statement. So that you can have a comparative analysis of what you recorded and what is captured by the inventory. What did you capture in your statement?
The notebooks.
Yes.
Tobacco.
Yes.
Calabashes.
Yes.
Beads.
Yes.
Decorated plastic containers.
Plastic containers, that is where I am. What type of plastic containers were they?
The small plastic.
What size? How many liters could it contain?
It's like maybe 25 ml.
25 ml.
Yeah, or 50 ml.
What were they used for?
I don't know.
Yes?
I don't know.
Did they have any connection with an organized group?
No.
Yes?
No.
What color were they?
The decorated ones?
The containers, the decorated containers.
Yes.
What color were they?
They are colorless actually, the white ones.
Yes?
The white ones, only that they've been decorated by beads.
What color were they? You said they were
White.
decorated.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
What color were they? What decorations were there? Were there images? What decoration was there?
No.
What type of decoration?
There were no images, just beads, the beads that have been put all around the containers.
What?
The beads.
The beads. Where are the containers?
They are not here.
They are not here. Did you capture that in your inventory?
It's not captured.
It's not captured. How about these books and what type of books were they?
Sorry?
These books, what books were they? Were they literature books, politicals, novels, or what books were religious books?
The notebooks. Notebooks.
They were not books.
Yes.
So whatever is contained in your statement is a fabrication of the truth, correct?
The notebooks?
Yes?
No.
Then when you say there were no books and the statement has indicated that there were books, what exactly do you mean?
I said the notebooks.
No, not the notebooks. Books. They are notebooks and they are books. Yes?
Yes.
Which books were they?
I wanted to mention the
Not
notebooks.
what you wanted to mention. It is what is now mentioned, Mr. Witness. What books were they?
I only witnessed the notebooks. Actually.
Yes?
They were the notebooks.
No. Witness. I believe you can tell the difference between a notebook and a book, correct?
Sure.
And therefore you are so conscious and in full control of your faculties when you're recording these statements, correct?
Yes.
And therefore you know what you recorded, yes?
Yes.
And therefore I'm referring to what you recorded as books, correct?
Yes.
And that is what you meant to mean, yes?
Correct.
So what are these books?
These are meant to be the notebooks actually, not the books.
So do you want to amend your statement?
To read the notebooks, yes.
To read the notebook.
Yes.
That finds you in a very embarrassing situation, yes?
Probably no.
Yes? Now, Mr. Witness, let's move on. Did you capture that in your inventory?
The notebooks?
Yes. The books?
No.
Yes?
No.
You are so much in a hurry to fabricate the truth, yes, and victimize innocent individuals. That is why you forgot to be keen on what you're recording, yes?
No.
Now, who recovered this toy pistol?
The toy pistols was
Who recovered among yourselves?
The toy pistol?
Yes.
It It was covered by PC Karan.
PC Karan.
Yes.
How did he recover it?
As we are conducting search,
How did he recover? Not where. How did he recover?
it was found in the bed.
That we know.
Yes.
How did he recover the pistol?
Can you come clear?
How did he recover the pistol?
The pistol was,
Not where he recovered and not when. It's how.
he picked it from the,
He picked it.
from whatever it was.
Yes?
Yes.
He picked it. How did he pick it?
At the bed where it was hidden,
Yes.
he took off the
Did
clothes.
you process that scene of crime?
It was photographed and
Did you process the scene of crime?
yes,
Yes, how was it processed?
it was processed and it was
How
photographed.
was it processed? How is a scene of crime processed?
Actually, the
How is a scene of crime processed?
it's a scene of crime is normally processed whenever any suspected item.
How is it processed? That's a question. How was the scene of crime processed? I choose to ignore that.
The scene of crime is normally processed whenever an item.
Not how it's, I'm not asking when it's processed. Nakuuliza, ilitayarishwa vipi?
Baada ya the pistol kupatikana pale, inapigwa picha and then all after then other process inaendelea, inachukuliwa, inawekwa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you have a scene of crime officer?
Yeah, he came.
What was it? Yes?
Yeah, he was around.
What is the name of the scene of crime officer?
Chief Inspector Wainaina.
When did he come to the scene?
He came after
Yes?
Wainaina. Wainaina.
I want you to show Chief Inspector. Is he the one who testified? Or is...
No, I don't think if he's testified.
I want you to show me in your statement where you've recorded that the scene of crime came to the scene and processed that scene.
I only indicated.
No, just show me from your statement. So it is.
I talked about the photos, but
I want
the
you to show us
process
in your statement where you indicate that the scene of crime.
not there.
You've not recorded. Did he certify that scene of crime?
Probably can answer that
Did
question.
he certify that scene of crime because you are present?
Yes, then
Did he?
he can answer that because
No, you were present when all this was happening, when the recovery was done, when the photographing was done. Were you present?
Yes.
What are the steps that are taken by an officer when preparing a scene of crime? What steps? Take us through.
First of all, the scene is preserved and photographed. From there, the exhibits are removed.
Yes, who preserved the scene?
The personnel from the scene.
Yes. So, was it recovered in their hands or how was it recovered?
It was, sorry?
How did he recover? Barehanded or gloved?
Obviously gloves.
Obviously gloved.
Yep.
What was the necessity of him putting on gloves?
Because of the contamination of the...
Because of the contamination?
Yeah.
Yes? Why is it necessary to avoid contamination of a scene of crime?
It's always necessary to avoid contamination because it's so that you can actually pin.
You can actually pin.
Actually.
How then do you take the processes of pinning the suspect?
Maybe fingerprinting will be...
Fingerprinting.
Yes.
Therefore, did you dust that scene?
That is a question for the
Was the
expert.
scene dusted in your presence?
Not in my presence, no.
Thank you. Did you see any person dusting the scene?
No.
Did you see anybody dusting the toy gun?
No.
Thank you. Mr. Witness. And the reason why you never took the steps to dust is because you knew the origin of the purported toy gun, that it were your properties. You were so keen, you knew where it came from. That is the reason why you never took steps to preserve the scene.
No.
Mr. Witness, when you are accessing this room where the toy gun were, who were the first individuals who accessed that scene?
All of us were.
Who was the first to access the scene?
We were all together. Who
was the first to access the scene of crime?
That room?
Which officer was the first to access that scene of crime? Call it a room.
Yeah, it was the DCIO.
The DCIO.
Yes.
Was the first accused person present?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Was any person present at the time of the accessing of the scene?
The second accused.
The second accused.
Yes.
Do you intend to call him as a witness in this case? To testify?
Yes, a witness?
Yes.
No.
So in the absence of the accused person, who else, a neutral person, was present when accessing the scene?
As for me, I only know the second.
I'm asking, you said you know the second. And of course, obviously, the second cannot be your witness, correct?
Sure.
Who else was there other than the police officers?
Other accused persons that were...
No. You know an accused person cannot testify against himself, correct?
Yeah.
So other than the accused persons, who else was present when accessing the scene?
I know of the police.
Only the police, correct?
Yeah.
And that is therefore at the time that you planted this pistol.
No, we cannot plant.
Mr. Witness, let us go to the same pistol. Where is it?
The pistol?
Yes. Where is it? Has it been produced before this court?
Yes.
Did you produce it yourself?
No.
Thank you. So, was that pistol capable of committing any crime? Can it fire?
That's it can fire.
It can fire.
But the ballistic...
What can it fire?
It can fire ammunition.
Ammunition. Did you discover any ammunition that can be used?
Yeah, we recovered three...
No. In respect to that particular toy gun, did you recover its components?
No.
What serial number was it?
It doesn't have a serial number.
It doesn't have a serial number.
Yeah.
So it is possible that you can just walk into any supermarket, including Naivas, or including any supermarket, just to buy a toy gun that are used for children, correct?
Yes.
And you say that it was hidden on the pillow, yes?
Yes.
Where is the pillow?
Probably the IO can...
Where is the pillow?
The IO can...
Have you brought it before this court?
No, I don't.
Did you know that it will be subject of this trial as having been captured by your statement?
Yeah.
Let's go to the question of the gun. Have a look at the gun. Answer. Where was this gun recovered from?
It was recovered from the wardrobe.
Yes?
From the wardrobe.
Were you there when it was being discovered?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Which wardrobe was it discovered from?
There was only one wardrobe in that room.
Yes?
There was only one wardrobe in that room, a bigger one.
How many people accessed that room on that particular day?
The police officers and the second accused and the two other guys who actually joined.
And the second accused. And therefore, of course, as I've told you, you are aware that you cannot bring the second accused as witnesses, yes?
Yeah.
So I want you to give me evidence of any other person who was present at the particular time you accessed it.
No.
Yes?
No.
It's only the police officers, yes?
Yeah, police officers.
Who were under instructions, correct?
Yes.
Who were under instructions, yes?
Which instructions?
you pursued this suit and instructions, correct? From your superiors, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. How did you discover that this was a Tokarev pistol? How did you discover? What is the description of a Tokarev pistol?
That is, okay, this one does not have any...
What is the description of a Tokarev pistol? What are the characters?
It's a shotgun.
Yes.
And it fires 9...
Not how it fires, I'm asking. Ili nitake kujua kama hii ni ng'ombe, nitaangalia kama iko na mkia, ama iko na miguu, iko na pembe, iko na macho, si ndio?
Yes.
Sasa hii ulijuaje ni Tokarev? If I want to know that this is a Frisian cow, I look at whether it is black and white. If I want to know that it's a Zembu cow, I look whether it has a ham. So how did you discover this is a Tokarev?
That was, there is a report from the ballistic expert.
There is a report from a ballistic expert.
And then...
Do you have that report before this court?
I don't have, but
yes.
The ballistic expert...
When is the ballistic report dated?
Maybe the IO will schedule for him to come.
Have you seen it yourself? I'm sure you must have been prepared by the IO when coming for this trial.
I've not seen it myself.
You have not seen it. Is this gun capable of firing?
Sure.
Yes?
Yes.
It was capable of firing?
Yes.
Was this tested?
Not at that time.
Yes. When was this tested?
It wasn't tested in my presence also.
Yes?
It was not tested in my presence.
When was this tested by a ballistic officer?
I can't tell of the date exactly. The date.
When was it given back to you people to present it in court by the ballistic officer?
I'm not aware.
You're not aware?
Yes.
So the ballistic officer handed over the pistol to you in minus or in absence of a ballistic report, yes?
Handed over to the IO.
Yes, without a ballistic report, yes?
The IO will explain that.
Let me ask you, your statement indicates that there were blank 3 9mm rounds of ammunition, yes?
Correct.
What do you mean by blank?
Blank are the rounds that do not have a bullet head.
They don't have the?
A bullet head.
Thank you. I want you to describe whether these are
a bullet head.
Bullet heads.
Yeah.
That means it is not capable of firing a bullet.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
How many were blank?
3.
3. Thank you. Have a look at this and tell us whether this is what was discovered.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Confirm that all those bullets are blank bullets.
Okay, these ones are...
Confirm that they are all blank bullets. The 3 of them are blank. Yes?
The 2 are blank. And this one is...
Which are the 2 blank ones?
These ones.
Yes?
And this one has been fired, so... This one has been fired. This is a cartridge.
This is a cartridge.
Yeah.
So, this is what you discovered in that particular house. Yes?
The 3 of them...
When was this one fired?
Probably,
fired?
I don't know. Maybe
and what instrument or which gun was used to fire?
That one will be answered by the ballistic expert.
That this was what you discovered. You've confirmed they were blank. You've told us these are the only 2 blank bullets, and one of them was fired. Who fired it?
Probably the...
Who fired it? Do you know or you don't know?
I don't know.
When was it fired? Do you know or don't know?
I don't know.
Which instrument? Was it fired through the use of this gun?
I don't know.
Yes?
I don't know if that one. I don't know.
Was it fired through the use of this gun?
That one, no, I cannot tell.
So I therefore confirm to you that your statement is a fabrication of the truth, that you never discovered 3 blank ammunitions. Correct?
We discovered 3.
3?
Yes.
Where are the ones that you discovered? Where are the blank 3 bullets that you discovered?
The weapon was subjected to.
It's okay. I'm not asking about the scientific analysis of the weapon. I am asking the evidence as to what you saw on that particular day. Where are they? Are they before this court?
2 of them are there, and the one is.
I'm asking the 3 of them, the 3 blank. Are they before this court?
No.
Thank you. And were they serialized?
Normally, ammunitions are not serialized.
Yes?
No.
They don't bear any number. Even the cartridge bears no numbers, correct? According to you.
They have numbers,
They have numbers,
but not serial numbers.
Have a look at them. Let's go with that. Call it bullet A. Does that bullet A have some numbers?
Yes, just some numbers.
Which numbers are they?
I can't see it properly.
The court clerk can assist you. Yes, let's read out to him what you can see. Loudly.
I can see RFB.
You can see R,
FB
FB,
0
0,
a star
a star,
a 9
a 9,
MM
MM,
PARA.
PARA, right? The 9 mm means 9 millimeters. Yes?
Yes.
So those markings have a meaning when identifying an ammunition, correct?
I don't know.
Yes?
And identifying an ammunition?
It is for purposes of identification of an ammunition. Say yes?
Yes.
When you go out on your normal duties, bullets are always recorded in a register, correct?
Yes.
What numbers are used to register it?
No, the bullets.
What numbers are used to register it for purposes of accountability?
Bullets are never recorded.
They are never recorded.
Yeah.
So you are
Just
given
recorded
an accounted number of bullets.
No, given maybe a quantity, maybe 10, that way. But
But
not
you agree with me that what we now have before this court has numbers for purposes of identification, correct?
No.
I put it to you that you have not marked these entries in your inventories because you knew what you have before this court is a fabrication of the truth and that the allegations are issues that you brought from your police stations, correct?
No.
Thank you. But let me ask you, again, how was this gun recovered?
It was in the drawer and it was picked from the drawer.
Yes?
Yeah.
It was picked from the drawer. Who picked it?
It was recovered by one of our officers, Corporal Kinyanjui.
Corporal Kinyanjui.
Yes.
Is he the same person who recovered the toy gun?
No.
Yes?
No.
Was that scene of crime processed?
It was photographed.
Who processed it?
The personnel from the scenes of crime.
Yes?
Yeah.
Just mention his name or her name.
The Chief Inspector.
Chief Inspector
Maina.
Wainaina.
Yeah.
Processed that scene of crime, correct?
Yes.
How did he process it?
By securing, photographing.
By
and then
securing. How did he secure it?
actually by.
How did he secure the scene? And why? What was the purpose of security of the scene if there was no any threat?
For contamination purposes.
For contamination purposes. Yes? So this gun at the time of the recovery was uncontaminated, correct?
Sorry?
At the time of the recovery, because of the due diligence that you took, the weapon came to your possession as it left the alleged drawer, correct? Without contamination.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And what was the purpose of that protection?
That is a precaution that's normally done.
So that you can link this gun to either of the 3 persons or either of the 9 accused persons, yes?
No.
You protected the scene because, did you dust it?
No.
Yes?
No.
What is the purpose of dusting?
To identify the handler.
To identify
the immediate handler.
the handlers, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see in this gun, or can you tell whether any of the two individuals ever handle this gun?
No, I can't.
Yes?
No.
Why would you not do it? Why is it difficult to tell whether any of the two handle this gun?
Yeah, no, because
Why is it difficult to tell at the moment either Mr. Maina or Mr. Daudi handled this gun?
that one we wait for a report from
Why is it
experts.
difficult to tell? Because you never dusted that scene, correct?
In my presence, no.
It was never dusted.
In my presence, no.
Therefore, you cannot tell whether Mr. Maina or Mr. Daudi ever handled this gun, correct?
Yes,
Did you ever take their fingerprints?
I didn't take.
Thank you. Let me take you now to the other bit. And let me ask you the final thing about this gun. Does it have a serial number?
It doesn't have a serial number.
Does
still-
magazines, do magazines have serial numbers?
No.
Thank you. Just give me that magazine. Have a look at this magazine. Yes?
Yes.
What is there?
YK3.
Just read out that number.
It's YK
YK
351.
351. Yes?
Mm.
For purposes of identifying that magazine, correct?
I don't think so.
I'm not asking what you think. I'm not asking your opinion. It is for purposes of identifying that magazine, correct?
No.
Yes?
No.
Did you capture those details or those initials in your inventory?
In inventory, no.
Was it captured?
No.
So we cannot tell where this gun came from, yes?
We can tell.
We can tell.
Yeah.
So how do you connect this gun with Mr. Maina or Mr. Daudi?
The fact that it was recovered from the
Recovered
from the house.
from the house. Do you know the owner of the house?
I don't know.
I'll now show you the owner of the house. The books you came to put unprepared. I will now prepare you. Have a look, we are referring to, and I think we now have to change the way you have marked them because the photos were then marked by the prosecutor. I think that we have to change because this was initially marked as D11. Yes. And of course these are you still have problems if we mark them because these are the prosecutor's documents. So you are aware that on the 27th of May this year, one Mr. Elliot Misoi, the IO in this case, did write to the land registrar to confirm the ownership of that house. Yes?
I'm not sure.
I'll show you. Read out that letter.
I read aloud.
Yes. What does that letter relate to?
Very- This letter is actually requesting the office,
Requesting the office, which office?
the land's office,
Land's office, to do what? To carry out what investigation?
the following.
Just read out the letter.
This office is investigating a case of engaging in criminal activities contrary to Section 3J as read with Section 4(1) of the Prevention of Organized Crimes Act number 6 of 2010, where the above parcel of land is involved.
Yes, read out the LR number for that land.
Block 1, stock
No, just read out how it is. The whole identification.
Dondori,
Yes, Dondori.
stroke Mugwadhi,
Stock
block
Mugwadhi.
Mugwadhi,
Yes.
block number 1, stock
Block number 1.
stock 716
Stock 176.
and 718.
You are aware that that is now the property that you raided on that particular day. Yes.
Correct.